To change voice of your Google Assistant, first of all, be sure that you are using the latest version of the Google application. Next, you will have to open this Google app and tap on the right upper corner. From here, go to the settings. Next, you will have to scroll down and go into the Google Assistant. Right now, scroll down and locate Google Assistant voice. So if you cannot find it, like in my case, you can tap on the search pool and type voice. Go for the search, and there it is, the assistant voice and the sounds.
Here are the voices you can pick for your
Here
Google
we can
Assistant.
find the preview of each voice.
Here are the voices you can pick for your Google
So we can switch between female, male,
Here are the voices you can pick for
and
your
the
Google
voice tone.
Assistant. Here are the voices you can pick for your Google.
Here are the voices you can pick for your Google Assistant.
So if you want to
If you
stay
like
with this one,
voice,
just go back. And that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.